Good morning, this is David Gilmore, known as LDS Prepper, and I'm going to show you my favorite cold winter drink. I have over 500 videos on preparedness, self-reliance, living off-grid at ldsprepper.com. You can view all those free. So let's get into my favorite cold weather drink. First of all, I grab a canning jar. The reason why I use a canning jar is because when I mix, I have this much more space and I don't spill. I used to use a big mug, but I use a canning jar just to make it easier. Not so I look country or anything like that, just more convenient for me. Then I have my favorite hot chocolate mix, which we get from the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints Home Storage Center. Anybody can go there and get it. It's awesome. It's well worth the trip. I'll have a link down below to where you can find the home storage center closest to you. At any rate, I don't even know what the instructions say any longer because I just mix it to my own taste. I've got 16 ounces of water I put in, heated up. I'll take a large soup spoon, fill it up as much as I can, put that in there, and then I'll take another heap, put that in there, and I just mix it up. Get it nice and mixed up. Then what I do is I take a teaspoon of, that's the wrong one, that's cayenne pepper. I don't want a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I want a teaspoon of cinnamon. So I take about that much cinnamon, put that in there. And then I just want a pinch of cayenne pepper. And so this is also known as Mexican hot chocolate. And I absolutely love this. The cayenne pepper gets the blood flowing. It's a great medicinal herb. The warmth of the hot chocolate and everything just kind of warms me up. As you can see, I just got out of bed. I've combed my hair. It hasn't dried. I haven't shaven yet. My wife just built the fire in the fireplace. We're just getting the morning going here. So that is a wonderful way to enjoy hot chocolate. If you watch the movie Chocolat, they also, that's her secret in her hot chocolate mix is actually Mexican hot chocolate with some cinnamon and some cayenne pepper. Now that I got my favorite hot chocolate cold weather drink ready, my wife and granddaughters made some sugar cookies yesterday, so I'm going to add a couple sugar cookies, and I'll take the gingerbread man. And I'm ready to start editing videos, going through emails, and get my day started. Hope that you enjoyed this. Let us know what your favorite cold weather drink is down below in the comments. And if you want to learn more about self-reliance and preparedness, check out my videos at ldsprepper.com. Or if you're looking for self-reliance preparedness items, go to ldsprepperstore.com. This is LDS Prepper reminding you, if ye are prepared, ye shall not fear. And if you enjoy your cold winter drink, you'll also be nice and warm.